Some people asked, what am I going to make for the holiday coming up this week? And here's one of the things I'm going to make. It's a delicious pasta salad made with lots of fresh veggies. So here's the ingredients. Let me show you right now. I'm going to use bow tie pastas, and I'm going to use some matchstick carrots, a cucumber, some broccoli, a couple peppers, cherry tomatoes, and some Asiago cheese. That's one of the really good secret ingredients. And we're going to use Olive Garden salad dressing. Who doesn't like salad from Olive Garden? I don't know anybody. So we have that in a bottle, and we're going to dress it up with that. To start with, I'm going to boil the bow tie pastas. I have a pound. I'm going to throw them in boiling water right now. While the pasta is boiling, I'm going to chop up little bite-sized pieces of all the vegetables. I'm also going to take the broccoli and douse it in the boiling water just to get that a little bit softer, so it makes a nicer vegetable to chew on in the salad. So I'm going to get all the stuff chopped up, including the cheese, so it'll be real quick to add everything together as soon as the pasta is done. Alright, the pasta is finished. Nice and tender, and I left it cool off a little bit. I also blanched the broccoli and cut it up into bite-sized pieces. I cut up the Asiago cheese into little tiny pieces, and this is the brand I used in case you're interested. It's Belgioso Asiago cheese. Really good. Also, we have the shredded carrots. I peeled and sliced a cucumber and then cut it in half. Then I made tiny pieces out of the red and yellow peppers. And I took the cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes and cut them in half. Alright, let's start adding them to the bowl of pasta and mixing it up. Here's the tomatoes. Here's the peppers. And as we get these in, I'm going to just stir them around a little bit. Carrots and cucumbers. Lots of colorful nutrition. Add the cheese. Stir it up a little more. I'm saving the broccoli for last because it's the most fragile now that it's been blanched. Okay, we have the broccoli then. Toss that in. What a nice bowl of pasta salad, huh? Now we need the dressing. Alright, shake it up. Now you just put in as much as you need to. But try to spread, I'm using about half a bottle right now to see if it covers everything. You can use all the kinds of vegetables you like the best in a salad like this. So don't worry about sticking to the same ones that I used, but whatever you like. You can see the dressing spreads out quickly over everything. Sometimes when I'm going to take this salad to a party or something, I'll just take an extra bottle of salad dressing along and put a little bit more on. Because what happens is the broccoli florets, they really absorb all the salad dressing out of the bowl. And the pasta does too. I think this is a nice pasta salad that you could eat any time of year or at any celebration. So let's put some in the bowl and a little cup here and taste it. I always like to make sure it tastes good. Those peppers are so nice and sweet at this time of year, and the dressing on this makes it perfectly refreshing. Okay, have fun making your pasta salad with veggies.